Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple program. So what we do in this program is we change paths and we print directory files. So I've created the first subroutine here called change path, and the print command we tell the user to enter the path for the files, and then we create a scalar variable called path and assign it to standard input to get the input from the user, and then we change directory into that path. Now I've created another subroutine called dir path here, and I've added the scalar path as an argument into it because this subroutine needs to know which path we're in. So I'm going to pass that argument over into this subroutine. So what we do is we create my scalar dir, and we use this special array here. Let's just get that. This is the special array which will contain it. Whoops, that's wrong. I've done there. Okay. Right. Now we're going to create. That's wrong. I'm going to create one here. My files. So this will contain all the files there. Assign it to glob. And then this will be the array. Okay. Now we're going to do a for each. We're going to loop through those. For each. My scalar file. In files. So we're going to loop through all those files, and we're going to do a conditional here using if. So if the file is matching, I have to do this here because the character on my keyboard doesn't work. Let's go back there a little bit. If it's matching .txt on the end, then we're going to, let's take that back there, print file, and we're going to interpolate the file name into it, is TXT, or else we're going to print scalar file is not a TXT, the new line character there. Okay, so what we're going to have to do now, we're going to have to save it, and we're going to have to call it. Let's just neaten that up a little bit there. We're going to call it, so we're going to call it by change path. Let's just save that. Okay. C users mark documents. Enter, and there we go. So the things here are not TXTs, not TXTs, not TXTs. Okay, it's not a TXT. Okay. Let's just have a look. I'm going to create a TXT on the desktop. Let's just run this. C users mark desktop. Hit enter. Okay, not TXT, so it's hard to actually see there. So I'm just going to change this. Not TXT. Let's see if we can see anything. And there we go, we got a couple of TXTs, so that's a lot clearer. That is examples.txt and English language channel.txt. So there we go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.